know if they got an older kid or what, but they was packing up that little bitty U-Haul.
It was an orange thing.
Yeah.
They just went the street.
Yeah, just a little bitty thing though.
Yeah, I see it.
But they were stuffing everything they could get up in there. When I left, they was putting stuff in there, and when I came out from the store, it was like stuff in the store.
I've been staring at the edge of the grass. I've been also staring at this bush. I touched this basket. It's all watery and has this nasty throw up in it. Why is this happening to me? I want to just have a good day. What is wrong? To be.
Because it was raining. I really didn't want to go outside in the rain.
Peter Bird Quest is so elegant.
On YouTube too. I don't know how he doing it, but I don't know how he know how to do it, but he is.
I
know. Got 35 views.
And now it has 36 views.
That's because I looked at it.
The trees are giant trees. They are the best thing in the world.
Captain Tony on YouTube. His videos gonna pop up.
And I made my own YouTube picture, which is just me smiling. It's the best day in the world. I know that
a couple of upsets in the
I know that this cup is very watery. Ew. Why is my camera getting blurry?
you got left now? Like $30, $20? You could have told me that you was going to buy it.
It's not getting blurry. So, can I please accept all of these? Please. I can crawl on stuff. I can fall off. I can also run and walk. I know, or I cannot stay out here. I like to watch the outside of nature. It is the best thing outside. I want to watch nature and let me know that I can watch nature. Please let me